Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix battery drain after iOS 26 update on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, check battery health. Go to settings on phone, then tap on battery. After that, battery health. Make sure peak performance capability is enabled. If your battery is old or worn, it might be time to consider a replacement for longer lasting performance. Next, check which apps are using the most battery. Go to settings, then tap on battery and scroll down to see battery usage by app. Close or limit apps that drain too much power. Now manage background activity. Go to settings, then tap on general, then tap on background app refresh and turn off apps you don't need. Updating in the background. This saves battery and reduce unnecessary power use. Here is another tip. Enable low power mode when needed. Go to settings battery and then low power mode. This reduces animations, background activity and fades settings to save battery. Finally, restart your iPhone after the iOS 26 update. Updates can leave temporary files running in the background and a quick restart refresh the system, often fixing battery drain. So that's it. Check battery health, manage app usage, limit background activity, tweak location settings, use low power mode and restart your iPhone. These simple steps can make your battery last much longer on iOS 26. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.